Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Septian. I do true wireless earbud reviews and inner monitor reviews, and today I'm also going to be doing a special unboxing of some inner monitors. These are the Moondrop Quarks. I got these from Amazon and they were like $13. I don't even think with taxes they were like up beyond $15. Like, whew, man, had to get these. Finally got them. Was it yesterday? These earbuds been around the world. They've been to China, Berlin, New Jersey, back to Berlin, Georgia, then Raleigh, and now to me. So let's take this plastic off. Let me see, where's the flap? Here, gotta get that flap. Okay, there you go. Got Quarks right there on the box. And you also got the little waifu card right here. In order to fully experience the sound quality of these earbuds, please wear it per this guide. Okay, what does the guide say? Schematic diaphragm of ear canal cross section. Let me see. Push them slightly inward and use your hands to fully expand the ear sleeves. Close the ear canal to ensure the performance of the design. Please be careful not to go too deep to damage the eardrum. Duh, you don't want to do that. Appropriate wear, it will provide excellent air tightness and comfortable experience. It will present a full bass in the sense of hearing, and the treble will not have unnatural burrs. Okay, burr. Wow. What the? Hold up, let me take these things out the box. Hold up. It's stuck in this little card here. Oh, wow. Okay, Amazon looked like they were a lot bigger than that. Wow, okay. So I guess I gotta slide it through this hole and do it the same way to that one. Okay, there. Wow. A unique looking design here. The cable is gray. Got an L-shaped 3.5 millimeter gold plated jack. Got a Velcro strap. That's good. I like when companies do this because it's easier to manage or store them. You don't have them like just dangling all around and stuff. Let me see. Let me take this. Let me loop this out of here. Come on. There we go. Let's see. I'm just gonna put that to the side for right now. Let's see how long this is. Yeah, it's a pretty dang long cable, man. It's about what? Okay. Nice cable. I ain't never seen no cable like this before. I don't even know what kind of I don't know if it's silver plated or copper plated. Hopefully it's copper plated. Let's see what else is inside here. Got a little tracksuit pouch here with some tips. Let's see, we got, was it 3 sets? Okay, small, medium, and large. All right, we got a product manual. What does this say here? Okay, got a warranty card. Thank you for purchasing. Earphone storage. Oh, okay, we're talking about earphone burn-in. It says, due to the mechanical properties of the diaphragm dynamic driver, the impact of the driver burn-in is more significant. With normal listening volume for 100 hours to burn in the machine to achieve a stable state for more airy performance and less distortion. Okay, it says it is recommended that the burn-in time should not be too long, less than 10 hours, and the burn-in volume should not be too loud to prevent thermal damage or mechanical damage to the unit or coil. Okay. Has there been that big debate about earbud burn-in? Does it work? Does it not work? From what I've seen, it's really not that significant. The change in the highs, the mids, and the lows. Not that the human ear could hear it. I'm just gonna leave them stock tips right in that bag. I'm gonna go ahead and put these CP 100 plus tips on here. Had these sitting over here on my mat. It's a perfect time to get some earbuds I can put them on. Come on, put them on there. Come on. Okay, there. Yeah. All right. That looks good. These are a lot smaller than I thought they'd be. Well, good thing they're branded. Let me see. Black is left. And I'm assuming, yep. Red is, yeah. You can kind of see like an R and an L. Okay. So like traditional headphones, like the periodic audio titaniums I got right here, they're pretty much the same. You can't pull, you can't swap the cable out on these. Uh-oh, did I tear that up? Oh, I thought I did. Oops. So yeah, you can't swap the cable out. No big deal. I mean, they're less than $20, so not really worried about that. Let me go ahead and put these in my Nord EPT. I like this cable though. I really like it. It feels very sturdy. Okay, now. Oh wow. Dang, these are small. These are some really small in-ear monitors. Okay, let me turn some music on right quick. Okay. Let's see. I got a track open on my Spotify playlist. Okay. Not bad. Turn it up a bit. Wow, that's a lot of detail in these. And if you listen to Rose by Portishead, you don't feel anything, you worship satin. You ain't no good. Okay, good bass. Okay, let me hear bass vocals. Okay. They sound nice. I can't wait to review these, man, but they're gonna have to take a back seat because I got reviews on reviews on reviews on reviews. Whew. Well, this has been the unboxing and the first impression of the Moondrop Quarks. Be sure to leave a like, comment, share this video, and thank you for watching. Drop.